these come in like this. I got the 30 count set. My daughter is getting new cabinets, and I surprised her with these. I knew what she was going to be looking for, and I'm going to open up one just so we can look at the quality. Here's the inside. It feels nice. These are really nice. I've seen some other handles similar to this style, and they don't feel this good on the hand. These are going to look really sharp on her cabinet. She's getting some brand new cabinets in a couple of months. So these are going to go good. I like the aspect that if the wood, she has some thicker wood, like a lot of the times the drawers, they're a little bit longer or thicker in wood. So definitely not going to open this up because it's going to be a mess. This company thought about everything. So this would be definitely someplace I would order from. You go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or any of those other places, you're not going to see the extra thought to go into adding extra length screws. These look good. I lost it. My handle. Lost the handle. Real nice quality. Real nice quality. Can you see how they rounded that off on the end too? It's not going to be, it's not jagged. It's not, you know, it's going to be easy clean. They did a nice job making these.